What's good, YouTube? It's Almighty Boy back with another video, and today, as you see from the title and thumbnail, we did bring the Camaro to Myrtle Beach. Now, Bike Week is coming up. It's like this week actually, but yeah. So we got a Camaro. We're probably gonna link up with the same Camaro from last time and a few more cars. But I just came to this car wash, and this car wash was not like it takes cash on it. She did not even look before she pulled out. Anyways, so we're heading to another one down the street, and we're just gonna go wash the car. I haven't washed my car in a freaking while, bro, because I would usually take it through the automatic wash, but now for some reason the water leaks in my trunk. But I think I fixed it, but I'm not gonna go see if I did, you know what I'm saying? But actually I'm gonna go pick up some tire shine right quick, because I'm going to the self wash, and there's an AutoZone, right, or auto parts, advanced auto parts right here. So we just gonna go grab some tire shine real quick so we can have this car looking great for the content we're gonna have this week, because you know we gotta have the car looking good, and I haven't washed it in forever, so it deserves some love. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, we did go with the Maguires. I've gone with this before, so I just was like, okay, let's just stick to the, you know, the regular, degular, smegular, hegular, tegular, you know what I'm saying? So now we are headed to the car wash. It's not too far. It's like down the street. But we are gonna go into track, you feel me? Alright. Damn, steering wheel hard as stiff as fucking track. Y'all, I was thinking about getting a slingshot. I mean, for rent down here. That would be crazy. Like, great videos for my main channel and this channel. Woo. But yeah, I think that would be great for the main. I mean, for both channels. I do have my GoPro, so I could do a POV. I don't know if I have my head strap or not though, but anyways, that would be a great video, I think. Actually, I don't even have that, but I do have my hat clip, and I have a hat clip on. I mean, I have a hat on right now. So we could connect that to that and make the GoPro sit with that, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know if that's gonna happen, but we might see if it was happen. We're gonna see if it can happen, but that's just gonna be up to you guys. So today is Thursday, so hopefully this video will be posted today, Thursday, and y'all gotta let me know down below, because I think it'll be fun. I don't know, it just depends how much it costs too, because you know these people down here be, and it's about to be Bike Week. I know the prices is going up. Pretty sure the speed limit is 45 and we're going 34. But guys, it might be, what the hell did I just say that like that? Y'all, it might be like a couple of car shows this week actually. I think I came a few years ago when they had some car shows. So we might be able to go to those, get some great content, because it can be whatever. Like, you know, they throw big car shows, Lambos and Ferraris and everything, it just pops up. But even if it's like some regular cars, like some Chargers, Challengers, Camaros, Mustangs, that would still be good for content, because I know it's going to be some people out there with some crazy modifications done, performance and what's the other word? Cosmetic. And with that Camaro, we might do a POV drive in that because that is a manual. So I don't think I've ever driven a manual like fully on this page. Look at that Camaro. Boy, that's my twin. Yeah, I really want to straight pipe this car. That shit's just gonna be too loud though, bro. Like, before I got this, I test drove one. I don't know if it was straight piped or what. But bro, that shit was so loud. Like, you hear this now. Y'all can't even, oh, why by that scat, them bitches look good. But like I was saying, I test drove one and bro, they're so damn loud. Like, to the extreme, way too loud. The drone is like crazy. Cause right now, like when I'm in drive, I can just chill and drive. It's not too loud. But what the hell, nigga? But I also did drive Josh Laurent's Vet that was straight piped, and bro, that shit was so damn loud. Like, you gotta have some damn earplugs for that shit. Yo, where the hell is my destination at? Okay, we almost there. I was finna say, bro. I'm gonna give y'all a pull right quick. What the hell? Look at them houses. Anyways. Damn, bro, I love this car. Hey, bitch, don't do it. Hey, bitch. The best thing about these cars, bro, is this shift, bro. Like, I'm pretty sure in the 19s, either 19s or 20s, I think they took the pop shifts off, which I don't know why, because them bitches sound. That's one of the best things about this car. But I don't know if they added it back, but I feel like I saw something where they might have removed it or something. Like, it's not such a pop. But I did hear the Escalade V one time do a launch. Is this where we? Yep, this is where we're going. I heard the Escalade V do a launch, and which is basically the ZL1 or CTS-V, whatever. But I heard that before, and they had the pops, so I don't know. But guys, we are arriving here, as you can see. We are not going through the touch one. We are not going through the touchless one. Damn, this nigga still got soap on his shit. But what we are gonna do, we're gonna goddamn park over here. Well, I don't know why this shit's so busy. We're gonna park over, actually, no, we're not gonna park over here. We are going to, see. It looked like he just shot his car with the shit. And then he going in there. But, is there any spots open? Fuck to the no, cousin. So we gotta wait for somebody, I'm guessing. Oh, we got a Chally over here. You dig what I'm saying? But, I guess we'll just sit back and wait for whoever comes out. We'll wait for whoever comes out. But, yeah, that's just what we're gonna do. But when we get into the wash, I'll record a little bit for y'all. Y'all can see everything. But, yeah, we gonna get, I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, we just got here and we are about to please. Okay. We are about to get this wash. We're finna have that bitch been looking scrumptious, you feel what I'm saying? My damn car gonna work, bro? Bro, what the hell? Bro. There we go, we in there, you feel what I'm saying? All right. Damn, I shouldn't have did that yet. I'm about to spray the wheel cleaner on there. Hold on, actually. Yeah, we're just gonna, nah, hell no. We're not finna waste that shit, hold on. Alright, y'all see the wheels look absolutely scroopy-dooply clean. They ain't been this clean in a while. This wheel looks clean. Hopefully they don't dry bad like they be drying. But as y'all see, here is the car. Bit look amazing. We are gonna, should I dry it off? Fuck it. Y'all see, here's where the accident happened. Yeah, but it's whatever. But we are gonna, I'm about to spray my tire shine now. And yeah, let's do it. All right, y'all see we got the whole Camaro shiny and sparkly. I'm sorry if it's loud, but as you see, that mother monkey look good. The wheels shining, the tires shining, the car shining, your hoe shining. We on timing. These niggas grinding. We just got hit the other day, a nigga crying. But look, so now what we gonna do, I'm about to see if I can figure out anywhere to go take some pictures, because it would be nice if I got sponsored by somebody. But yeah, we'll see. Car looks great right now, so I'm not finna waste this opportunity. Got the camera too, just in case we do want to take some five. All right, y'all, we are in the car. The music always turns on and fucks up my shit. But yeah, we about to go take some pictures, maybe some videos, because the car, damn, they just ran the hell out of that stop sign. Y'all saw that? Bro, I know the hell not. Oh, hell no. Somebody blowing something. I'm not driving through that, bro. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Fuck that. Hell no. Ooh, shit. Damn, these houses are nice. Got a little 5.0 right there. Is that a 5.0? I think that's a 5.0 with like the 350 type badge. All right, y'all, we got a little straightaway right here. We'd be dumb to not hit this bitch. Actually, we would, because if we slide, we going straight into the water. But fuck it. Okay. I hear them little baby pops and shit. But y'all, I'm gonna look for a spot real quick to park up, see if I can get like a good, nice picture or video or something. But I'm gonna catch y'all when we get there. All right, y'all, I just took some fire pictures. Like over here, like whatever this shit called, it's called the marsh. I don't know what this shit called. But anyways, I just took some five pictures right there. But I think that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Like I told y'all, we are gonna be meeting up with some other cars, so you know, that'll be fun. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. I'm gonna catch you in the next one, and I'm out on this pool. Bye bye.